inside the Niger Delta.
To your surprise, it is this blue oil that is being supplied all over the filling stations. Federal government is only telling us they are bringing fuel from here, they are bringing fuel from here, they are bringing fuel from here. All the fuel they are bringing is from the creek.
You mean that the fuel that people are buying?
Yes, they are all from the creek.
They are the ones locally refined.
They are all from the
by
creek. Yes,
Niger Delta.
yes, those are the ones we are buying in the filling station.
How are you sure?
Yes, we are sure because we are seeing it. They are the same thing that they are putting in the tank, bringing in the filling station, selling us. We have not seen any imported fuel in the Niger Delta. So long as the federal government does not have the political will to open the Mamode refinery, this fuel business will not going to stop.
But do you know that it is illegal? It is against Nigerian law.
It is illegal, but it's, yes, Nigerian law, yes, but it's our oil. It's our oil. If you want to stop us, you must make a provision for us. It's our oil. We went to speak with these boys to stop this business, that these mobile refineries are coming, but the federal government does not have the spiritual will to stop the business, so the oil must continue.
Even if they bring soldiers and police to arrest you people?
Arrest? They have been arresting. They are all part of the business. They are used to it. They are all part of the business. No matter soldiers you bring, no matter police you bring, they are all part of the business. So there is no way you can stop it. It cannot stop. It can only stop if the federal government has the political will to say, okay, this is what we have for you people. Then we cannot speak with the people, stop this business. But so long as the federal government does not have this political will to bring this mobile refinery to our community, they want to stay in Abuja to sell license without coming to do proper, it will not going to work.
Inside the Niger Delta.